PSL Pulse Bafethu is the Carling Knockout Cup final. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Gallants 0. Mphethe ubhuti wami uBernard and uTebogo. Bafethu ngicela ngitshele game yafana kanibona kanjani? Angiqale ngawe.
Yeah, my brother, I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan. But you know, as all like the more KF is coming, I'm impressed with Pirates. Also, the team Marumo Gallants, goalkeeper, it deserves man of the match. But my brother, we're talking about the experienced team here. Pirates, I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan. Yeah, I'm happy for Pirates, but yeah.
Can I ask you one question and please be honest?
Yeah.
Coming to today's game, who were you supporting, Marumo Gallants or Orlando Pirates?
I support Marumo Gallants, bra. Like to be honest, I support Marumo Gallants. Yeah, but bra, like Pirates is a big team and a team in the experience. So a bit of experience. Nakamkhola ke bone game la ka gona bra ka ne ke bone gore ka nkgotla ka gona ne ke bone gore tafta penalty ke ne potsa gore tafta penalty ene ke potsa Marumo Gallants bara the support eish bra Pirates ne batle ka moka today and then mo polokwane re fight to host a cup. That's why we come here to support Marumo Gallants bara. It's unfortunate bra. Then we are very happy mo polokwane mo mo Limpopo ke jo moleti ya mo very happy gore jo ke ibe sharp mar ke la mo mo moleti mo bra. But I'm very happy for Orlando Pirates or yeah. They really deserve it as an experienced team.
Thank you, President. I'm looking at today's game. Did you have any player that impressed you? So basically, if you were given an authority to choose the man of the match, who were you going to give it to?
Obviously, a police.
Oshula Police.
Yeah,
Because Kubeka fans, we Pagani or because
I'm a Coast fan.
you're a Coast fan.
But Pirates are like man. But I wish a Pirates. They're looking at and then another about Hopulu, one early way, but teacher finally more and then Pirates Leon. It's like a boat, try wish and then we show them against the financial Mopuluan. But obviously, Mara, them Fadoga, get a Pirates local.
Pagani outside Kamabani. What's your name, boy?
Boga.
Yeah?
Boga.
Bokang. Bokang of supporter Pagania. Up the parks. It's up the parks.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pagania. Bopa. Bafetu. This was PSL Pulse. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm your host, Ustosh Tanko.